All right, so this is where we last left off, was that we finished completing the order to Katie's Coffee Corner, right? We successfully journalized our sales, we updated our inventory, we went through all the worksheets, so let's see what happened next.
We bought coffee cups.
Yay, we bought more coffee cups because we just already, in one whole day, we already sold about 200 cups, maybe, more or less. So we're thinking 1,000's not going to cut it. So we're going to go ahead and purchase another 2,000 cups to kind of help us maintain our business. So what are we going to do here?
Medium coffee cups.
Yep.
And large coffee cups and Visa payable.
Good. Medium coffee cups.
Yes.
Large coffee cups. And Visa payable because we're paying with the business credit card. Good.
We're going to put this off for a while.
Yes.
1176. And then 1175 and 2200. 22,000.
I thought it was 11,765 for large coffee.
Oh yes, 65. 65.
No, it was 11,760 and 11,765.
Yeah, my fault.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I changed the wrong
It's her
one.
fault then. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, pay attention to my dyslexic numbers.
Okay, it's okay. Don't worry about that.
Medium. Okay, under Visa payable and the credit, I put 270.63.
270.63.
Because that's a total.
Okay.
And then for the medium coffee cups, I took the $100 times the 0.0825 to get 108.25.
Good.
And then I took the remainder of the tax left and put it with the 150 to get 162.38.
Good. 162.38. All right. Best way to do that, once you solve for one, you can go ahead and just subtract from the total and get to your remaining amount. All right. You don't need to be precise on the tax, but there it is. Yes. Go ahead. Sorry.
Just under the notes, I just put restaurant supplies.
Okay. I'm going to say I purchased 4,000 cups. Let's see. Perfect. We just reached the end of our journal for journal number 7 over here. So let's go ahead and compute the rest that we have to do here. So next is ledger.
Yes.
Here it is, medium coffee cups. We
purchased 2,000 at 75 cents each, tax 12.38. Debit for 162.38.
Ooh, I didn't even record this one. What was this one? General journal, the first one? I think it should have been 4. Thank you. For 108.25. Giving me a running balance of.
I was giving you wrong figures. I'm sorry. I was looking at large, but 108.20 or 162.38.
162.38 for your total running balance in the medium cups. Okay. And once again, now we are here at the large cups.
For 162.38.
16238.
Running balance of 243.56.
24356. Excellent. Okay, what's next?
Visa payable.
Visa payable, liabilities. Oh, I think I missed it. There you go. Visa payable.
I just put restaurant supplies and coffee cups.
Okay. For the total of
Um,
811.53.
270.63, right?
right.
Oh no, I'm talking about the total credit.
Oh,
Yeah,
total credit.
811.
Yeah. We'll be okay.
Yeah, good.
Oh,
Excellent.
good. All right. Woo. I'm like, oh,
Okay.
Then subsidiary ledger.
Subsidiary ledger.
Under for vendors. Let's see where they at. Restaurant supply. There we go.
Restaurant supply. Oops. Got it. Restaurant supply.
Yep, 619. Purchase 4,000 cups. Visa. At GJ7. No invoice.
Oops. Okay. 270.63 in the invoice, and because we used the credit card to pay for it, we owe $0.
Yep. It should still show just the 649.49 for a balance.
Yes.
And then I think we're finished with that one.
Okay, perfect. All right, nothing else that needs to be done here because we're just making purchases of supplies. We already updated everything, so now we're moving on. There's no possible
quick question.
way.
Can we go back to the vendor? For some reason, I got 920. I put it in the
920.
wrong spot. Oh, because we did pay it. My fault. I apologize.
No worries. Yeah, we paid it with a Visa credit card, so that's essentially us paying for it. We just now owe the credit card company.
Okay.
So once again, here, right, we finished our transaction here. There's no way that someone can squeeze a transaction in between these two lines, okay? Especially if you freeze up your sheets, there's no way that you could squeeze in anything between there. So in this case, and the previous examples above, we didn't need to draw a line because in this case, there's no way that someone could squeeze something in there. All right, you need like one more line possibly to be able to squeeze something in there. So in this case, we can go directly to the next page, which is now page number 8. Okay, so 6/19, because we're still on that day. So let's see what happened next.
The electric company wants to get paid.
Yes, you owe the Silver State Electrical Company. So
Be checking.
checking. Okay, it's going to be one of them.
Accounts payable and checking.
Yes, because we know Silver State Electrical, they already billed us.
So does anybody get the amount? Because on my printout, I do not have the amount.
Yeah, it's you go to your subsidiary ledger and find the amount of $1,070.
Good.
Bam, bam. All right.
So they're exactly what Alan just said. Here we don't see the bill. But where did we place the bill? We only have one place to keep track of all of our vendors, customers, and employees, right? So if we go to our subsidiary ledger and we go to Silver State Electrical, which should be right below Silver State Electrical, Sargent, Silver State Electrical, and boom. Here we see that we entered the bill in on the 15th of June. It is for bill number 3351. And here it says net 4, so it's due on the 19th of June. And guess what today is? It's the 19th of June. And it shows that you have a full invoice amount of $1070 that you owe to Silver State Electrical. So your subsidiary ledger should hold all of your information to keep track of all of your bills and stuff like that, okay? So perfect. All right. Now that we know that we are going to write out for the 1070, right? No discounts included, right? Because it's just net 4, right? Subcontractor workers, they don't give you discounts. So in this case, there you go. So the full amount is for 1070. So we're going to journalize this. For the amount of 1070. Okay.
Now we gotta go issue a check.
Okay. And how do we issue a check?
Tax registry.
Check register. Good.
In Silver State.
Silver State. Okay.
So then we go back to the journal. I would know invoice 3351.
Good.
Check number again was 1519.
Hold on. Silver State Electrical. Invoice number 3351. Check number 1519. Good.
I always want to call it secondary ledger, but subsidiary ledger,
Subsidiary ledger. Good. You could just say sub ledger.
sub ledger. Okay, that
Mm-hmm.
works.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and my computer just froze.
Okay.
Um, accounts payable.
Oh, okay, okay. Sub ledger and general ledger are two different
Oh, my
things.
fault. My fault. Oh no, yeah, yeah, yeah. My fault. I didn't want to go to the vendor right away. I want to make sure, like you taught us.
Got
So
it.
I'm gonna go accounts payable, checking, vendor.
Perfect. So this
Okay.
is this
Yes.
is you
Yes.
you
Yes.
could just
Yeah.
refer
I'm
to this
sorry.
one as just the regular ledger.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't want to go to sub. Yeah. Yeah. So the ledger, accounts payable.
Accounts payable, got it here. 19. What are you gonna say here?
Invoice 55. I mean 3351.
Uh-huh.
Um, uh, thinking in my head, but thinking out loud. So invoice
Uh-huh.
3351.
Uh-huh.
Uh, Journal 7.
I'm gonna go ahead and add this so that you know that you're not entering another bill.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, and then we're going to put the check in. Oh, that makes sense. 1519.
Good.
Oh, we're on the 8th. I'm going to have to go back on mine.
It's okay. I
Let's
made that
see.
same mistake. I made the same exact mistake.
Yeah, so seeing we're paying them,
All right.
1,070.
1,070. Not on the credit side. We're paying
Oh,
it
on the
off.
debit side. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Okay. So therefore, what should be your running balance now?
$12,592.65.
Excellent.
And now we go to checking on our assets. Check number 1519. General Journal 8.
Where are you at right now?
We're on the
Oh,
checking on the ledger.
Okay.
For the 1,070 in the credit for 5816. Yes.
Whoop. We're not doing so good here.
No.
It's looking like my bank account. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so there we go. We did our accounts payable and our checking account.
Now the subledger. Under vendors for Silver State.
B217. I don't know if anybody uses the corner of the sheet a little bit.
I just put in check 1519 for the notes. Invoice 3351, JG8. Then way over, I put a payment of 1070, which gives me a balance of 0. Did you see Nicole's note that she wanted to see the journal?
No, I didn't hear the ding.
Oh, all right. I have to work on my formula. It's not working.
Okay, so we can go over the formula. You may have to
No, no, no.
re-enter it again because
Yeah.
your computer could be overloading right now.
Yeah, no, it's running slow. Okay, so account payable
Mm-hmm.
plus invoice
No, 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 no,
minus.
no, 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 no. It's equal in the accounts payable,
Oh yeah, okay. Equals accounts payable plus amount invoice.
not plus. There's no plus before it. Okay, so let's work on it together. So
Okay.
here it's going to be equal in your accounts payable. Your first one that you're going to have is going to be your invoice amount. Subtract your prepaid.
No, oh no. I'm not- So my first one, I did my top line
Uh-huh.
looks just like yours.
Okay.
So if you go to M220, is it right? Yeah,
M220.
okay.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So it goes equal accounts payable plus if we have any new invoice. So I
Oh,
didn't.
no, 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 no. You don't have a running balance there.
Okay.
Your running balance is down below in the gray.
All right, let me see. Let me see your invoice, your formula again. Yeah, see, that's not how I've been running the rest of them. I've been going whatever I owe plus any new invoice, um, minus any prepaid accounts, minus any returns and allowance, minus any discounts, minus any payments. Yeah, so now, yeah. So now I'm seeing what that one.
Okay. All right, because you don't add any, you're not, this column right here isn't adding up any of the invoices together. You're not doing a running balance. You're just doing that transaction at the end of that day. So here for this example here, for June 15th, that transaction just says that I owe money. Down below just says here I made a payment, so I have a negative amount. In your gray is where your running balance is.
No, it's zero out there, but yeah, no. So yeah, I think
Okay.
we're getting to the same spot with that. Am I communicating correctly?
Okay. All right. As long as it looks like this, then we're good.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So good. We finished the subsidiary ledger. All right. Going back to the journal. There you go.
And that should be it for that one.
Mhm. Very good.
So now we had another in-store. Oh no, wait a minute, hold it. No, Albert submitted another order for Super A Market.
Okay. So Albert submitted another order.
So this one I went over to the commissions.
Well, let's take a look at the order though.
It's order number 103.
Okay.
And we have 50 pounds of regular coffee, 45 pounds of Supreme coffee, and 25 coffee mugs with a $30 delivery charge. We have terms, 1% 10 net 20, delivery date for 21st of June, and the estimated total due is $498.80.
Okay, so here we go to Super A Market.
and then I just put in the sales amount, the $498.80, and then left it at that for now.
Yes, because we haven't completed, because the time between now when he submitted the order and the time that he delivers it, the customer can come in and change it at whatever they'd like. They can cancel, they can do whatever they like. So for here, that's all we need to make note of. Okay.
And now we had the grand opening sale again.
Yes, we did. So here we are, grand opening sales.
So it's time to copy and paste.
Okay. Let me just find that exact transaction. Here we have it. There I have it, 619. All right, so here's all the things that we have left that we need to fill in. So let's start with
$898.80 for checking in the debit, and $207.57 for sales discount.
okay.
Then we'll move to the credit column. Start with $171.14, $269.10, $224.10, $303.63, $69.90,
6990. Oops.
and then $68.50.
6850. Once again, check to see if your debits match your credits. Okay, so here I have 1106.37 on both sides. Awesome. Okay, I'll give you guys a couple seconds to go ahead and fill this in.
Now, another thing I started doing is, since I'm already on the general journal, before I go to my other ledgers, I moved over and did my deposit just so I wouldn't forget to come back and do it.
Awesome, and that's what I actually want you guys to do. Okay. So let's see. So when we go to our deposits, we just received $898.80 in cash. All right. So here we have a check that we previously collected, and here we have the in-store cash sales. So now what we're going to do is we're going to deposit the whole amount over. As you can see, my Excel thinks it's smart and started doing the calculation for me, but that's not the case. So here, I'm going to deposit both cash and check together in one deposit. So here I'm going to enter in this plus my cash sale. So my check and my cash combined to deposit a total of $1,008.33. Okay, so that's all I essentially did. I mean, if you just went ahead and just deposited both of them at the same time or same days, or if you transferred over 109 and then you transferred over the 898, it doesn't really matter. This is just, it's just practice purposes only, that if you do collect cash or money, you need to deposit it into your bank for it to show up in your checking account. So that's what this does, is just, teaching you to make sure that you do your deposits, or else by you entering invisible money, and then one day you write a check out and it says that you don't have money because you forgot to do your deposit. This is why, okay? This is just to double, confirm that you made your deposit correctly, okay? All right. Back to the journal.
Now we need to go to the general ledger.
Now we need to go to the general ledger. Okay. Right? First things first.
$619 in-store sales. GJ8 with a debit of $898.80. Oh, yeah.
$898.80. Okay.
Running balance of 135696.
Good.
And I went to my sales discounts.
Oops. Oop. Sales discounts.
GJ8 and 20757 in debit. She had 56628.
Good.
Then I went over to sales.
Then you went to
Or
sales.
up to sales. Starting with my medium regular coffee. $86 cups. GJ8 $171.14. Should give you a balance of $489.54.
48954. Correct.
If everyone's good, we can move to large regular coffee. It'll be $619. 90 cups sold. GJ8 for credit is $269.10. Running balance is $714.61.
Good.
Next, we'll go to sales medium supreme coffee. $619. 90 cups sold. GJ8 for a credit of $224.10. Should give you a running balance of $632.46.
Good. 62246.
Next, we'll go to large Supreme Coffee, $6.19. 87 cups sold. GJ8, 303.63 in the rate.
303.63.
Should give you a running balance of 882.97.
882.97. Excellent.
Next, we'll go up to ceramic coffee mugs under sales. We sold 10 mugs. GJ8, 69.90 in the credit.
69.90? 69.80. Got it.
60.90, yeah, for 140 or for running balance at 211.64.
Good.
Then after that, we'll have to bounce over to sales tax payable. GJ8 and a credit of 68.50 should give us running balance of 186.87.
$186.87.
After that, we'll update our inventory.
Okay. So how much pounds of each one did we sell or used?
We used 15 of each.
15 of each. So inventory worksheet.
It'd be 6.19, 15 pounds. Your cost per item will be 1.60947, which should give you a total of 24.14. And you want to update over on the right side? It should be 194. And let's see, 312.24 for the total.
312.24. Good.
Yep, it should give you 1.60948.
So each one is getting more expensive now.
Wait, can I see that formula again?
Which one?
Sorry, I'm trying to keep up real fast on my thing. So it's the 109 minus the 15.
109 minus the what? 109 minus
Oh, I'm sorry. The quantity.
209.
Oh, 209. Oh,
209. Oh, so I just basically cell reference. I click 209 minus the 15.
okay.
That's that formula right there. Same thing here, right? We take the previous quantity of the 33638 and I just subtracted out the 2414.
Oh, I got totally different numbers. I'll review that later because I ended up with 160 and 52 cents.
Hold on. What's your formula here, though? Wait, what did you get for this?
Um. Okay, I messed up. I'm using a different. I'm not using. I'm using last in first out. I'm not using the average. I'm at this page again.
Okay, so the formula should always be in the middle because you're always constantly recalculating. So unless you're on the wrong sheet, you might be on Supreme.
No, no, no. I'm regular because the first. If you black it out, can I see what you have for your first quantity? I said, 125.
All of it?
Yeah, I'm just asking.
Let me see.
I'm seeing. I'm trying to figure out where I messed up.
So we started out with 125. We
Okay.
sold
Everything
12 and
looks
a
good
half.
so far. I'm looking at both screens right now.
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure out where I went wrong. Not that. Oh, I got it. Quantity on the 18th, I put 10:05.
Okay.
So I'm off on my. All right, thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm notified.
No. That's what we're here for. We're all supposed to help each other.
I
So.
found 3 fat fingers that I did yesterday, today so far. So
Yes. And I will mention this again if I haven't mentioned it already. 95% of accounting errors come from humans. Rarely does it come from Excel because honestly, Excel only tells you what you need to input, and if you fail to tell Excel what to do, then it will produce you the wrong answers. But then 95% of it comes from you entering in all those information. So if there's something wrong with your worksheet, it's you. Okay? All right. So here we
Oh,
are.
and I got to add, I forgot equal round formula.
Where did you do equal round? In the cost? Over here?
Yeah, in the total, I've totally forgot. Yeah, yeah. So I see my mistakes now. Now that I'm clicking everywhere, I'm like trying to figure it out
Okay.
frantically. Yeah.
Okay,
So
so
my equal rounds and two spots are way off.
we only use equal round in one area.
Total cost
Just the
and
total cost there.
and inventory on hand.
No, we do not do equal round there. All of this number here, is not an equal round. None of these are. Only the cost per cost of goods sold total cost has an equal round. Because in this case, we don't want to round our numbers here. And on top of that, we're doing average costing. So in this case, the only thing, the numbers that we're editing here are the quantity and the total cost, because at the end of the day, we're trying to recalculate the average cost per item, and that's the number that you don't want to ever round.
No, no. On inventory on hand total.
Uh-huh.
That's not an equal round.
No equal round. It's just numbers.
Okay, so let me try this again. And you guys let me know if I'm wrong, because I'm known to do that.
That's fine. Go ahead.
So if I go 394 times 160,948, I get 1223.9.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, repeat what you did again?
Okay. Now you can do it off to the side to make sure I'm correct, or maybe.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. 194
194
times 1.60,948 948 equals.
Okay.
Where am I? In my
No.
my numbers.
No. Your formula is in the cost per item, not in your total cost. Okay? Your formula lies here in the middle
All right.
because
If you were to go to total cost, that third three, and then you go to numbers, and then go decimals over. Is that where I'm messing up?
yes, because these are all solid numbers. Your formula isn't, you're not calculating your total cost. See, if I extend this, all of these are going to be nice even numbers. Okay? Your formula lies in the cost per item. Okay? Not your total cost. Your total cost formula is for FIFO and LIFO. In this case, I'm calculating my average cost per item. So you're not typing in the 1.60948. That's your formula right there.
Yeah, I tried it again to the side, and I get something totally different.
Okay. So your formula lies here, okay? This is not a formula. This is just straight numbers that you just pick up from the table.
Yes.
Okay? So everything that we've done so far was let me show you the numbers once again so we can try to figure out this together. So here, right? This number right here, I picked it up from this table. I typed in 200. Okay?
No. Yeah, I understand the whole formula, but my whole thing is, okay, if you take the quantity of, I don't know, maybe it's my computer, but if you take anywhere into my cell, I could put. So I'm going like completely off the scale, right?
Okay.
So I'm going. Okay, equals.
Okay. Where are you putting this equals?
Anywhere in my sheet.
Okay.
Okay, the 194
Okay.
times, again, the 10949, and I hit enter. I don't know. I think yeah, I guess they'll get 312 and 23 cents 9000.
Okay. And this is where I keep telling you again, that's not what I'm solving for. I'm not solving for my total cost. I'm solving for my cost per item. My formula, I'm not calculating quantity times cost. I'm calculating total cost divided by quantity. This is average costing. Average costing. We're, we're not solving for what the total cost is. We're solving for the average cost per item.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So the wrong formula. That's what I was trying to get to you at. Is the formula isn't the total cost. The formula is you're calculating your average cost. So in this case right here, that's why my numbers are even, is because I'm copying and pasting my numbers from my table in my total cost. So these numbers will always come out even. However, because the formula is I'm solving for my average cost per item, which is my total cost divided by my quantity, your formula is in the middle. Okay? This is where all the formulas are. Okay?
That's where I'm at. Okay. Yeah, that life of my, yeah.
Yes, only LIFO and FIFO would need to use the rest of the stuff.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
I think I'm missing up formulas everywhere.
Okay. So for here, so do you understand? So your formulas are in the middle. You're not calculating the total cost. You're calculating the cost per item.
Okay.
Okay. All right. You good?
Yes, if not, I'm gonna review this over and over.
Okay.
All right.
All right, because we're looking at moving average, right? We're looking at finding the average cost per item, not the total cost. Okay, so here, this is what we solved. So your formula is going to be straight right now. Right now, you can type it in right now, and then you can figure out the rest later. Type in 194 in your quantity, okay? And then type in 312.24 in your total cost. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to solve for the cost per item, which in this case is going to be equal. So I'll do it here for you right now. Equal your total cost, okay, divided by your quantity of 194, okay, to get an average cost per item to be 1.60948. Okay, so this is what we're calculating, not your total cost. Your total cost formula is going to be what your previous balance was the 33638. Subtract out your 2414. Okay, so then I don't know if you can understand that part, but you're taking your total cost minus whatever the total cost that you sold. Okay, that's the only formula that you have here, is that you're just taking two balances and just subtracting them out.
All right, I'm there
Okay.
for right now.
For now, yes. Okay. So.
Tomorrow, the sun rises, and I forgot what I did yesterday.
Okay. Okay. All right. No worries. So let me go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and finish up your Supreme coffee, right? How many pounds did we use?
We use.
I think it's 15.
15.
Okay. So, okay, it's this one there, Felipe, here. This one, we are looking at our total cost here. We are looking at quantity times the cost, because in this case, our cost is a stable variable. Like, it doesn't change. We know that no matter what item we sell, whether it's the first batch or the second batch, it's already at 180. It will not change. Okay, unless you return some items. But in this case, here, we're looking at this being a constant figure. It will always be 180. The only thing that's going to be different is the quantity, because we're going to sell our items. So this is where you do need to solve for your total cost here. Okay.
And then total cost is going to be $27.
Okay, for here, 27. Okay, let me make sure I click the right one. Equals 180. Okay, and
Round.
then equal round,
Yep.
which is,
Okay.
Felipe said it was $27, so good.
Yep.
Okay, so here, what is 87 minus 15?
Come on, people, don't leave me out there like this. Someone jump on in.
72.
72. So this is where you have to put your formula in your total cost, because I want to know what 72 times $1.80 would equal. And it will equal to be $129.60. Okay? Because that's how much I have left on inventory on hand. So this in here, with my 125 pounds that I previously bought, I should have a grand total of $358. Oh, wait, that's not right. That didn't change, did it?
No, I got the same answers. You got $29.60.
Okay, no, 358.10 is what I'm looking at. Okay, so 358.10. Okay. All right. So there we have it. We sold 15 pounds of regular and 15 pounds Supreme. So 15 pounds cost me here for regular. It cost me $24.14, while my Supreme cost me $27. Okay.
Now we can update the ledger.
Now we can update the ledger as soon as we update our journal.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so here, 24.14. Remember, the journal always comes
Yes.
first because
Yes.
that is step 3 of the accounting cycle. Your ledger follows after as step number 4. You need to have a transaction first before you can enter it into your balances. Okay.
Yes.
So here we have it. There's my journal in-store use. Once again, everything looks good. So then now we're able to go ahead and go into our ledger and update our inventory that way. Okay. Starting off with our cost of goods sold. Okay. Cost of goods sold for my regular coffee. Okay. It's the 19. We used
15. $24.14.
Okay, giving you a running balance of 90.01. Okay. Right. And we're going to go ahead and update our Supreme Coffee. 619.
Use 15. At $27 for a running balance of $95.40.
Good. Last but not least,
Over to our assets.
over to our assets. We're going to actually update our inventory here. So locate your regular coffee. Here we are.
Use 15 pounds. GJ8, 24.14 in the credit. Running balance of 312.24.
$312.24, which once again, that's exactly what we solved in our inventory worksheet. That it is $312.24. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and
Do the Supreme Coffee.
do the Supreme Coffee.
Use 15 pounds. GJ8. Credit for 27. We should give us the 358.10.
Yes. So here we had 385.10 and 358.10. So numbers could be very, very easily mistaken. So there we have it. Okay. That is it for this transaction, right? We deposited the money into our bank already. We updated our inventory. So what I'm going to do is tomorrow we're going to stop here and we're going to continue everything the next day tomorrow. So they're very good, guys. So we did good, you guys, today. So we successfully finished one whole entire day worth of journaling. Okay.